Eskom announced a 9-hour power outage in select Johannesburg areas. Eskom has issued a notification to the residents of Orange Farm regarding an upcoming electricity supply interruption. This temporary disruption is scheduled for Friday, November 17, 2023, from 9 to 1800 hours and will impact customers in Drizik Extension 4, as well as Orange Farm Extensions 2 and 7B. The purpose behind this interruption is essential maintenance on the distribution network. To ensure the safety of residents during this period, Eskom emphasizes the importance of treating all electrical appliances as live. This precautionary measure aims to prevent any accidents or mishaps during the scheduled power outage. The maintenance activities are crucial for the upkeep of the distribution power lines, contributing to the overall reliability and efficiency of the electricity supply. Eskom expresses gratitude for the cooperation of the affected customers. Also, it acknowledges the potential inconvenience caused by this maintenance. The power supply interruption is a proactive step to enhance the infrastructure and, in the long run, improve the quality of service provided. The utility company remains committed to delivering a reliable and safe electricity supply to its customers. Also, the understanding and cooperation of the community are greatly appreciated during these necessary maintenance operations. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.